Pickled vegetables are a delicious and nutritious accompaniment to meals all across the globe. Whether you enjoy chua, kimchi, sauerkraut, or plain old dill pickle, pickling has a rich history in all cultures as a natural way to preserve foods and bring out probiotic benefits. On today's episode, we'd like to share how easy it is to make your own lacto-fermented foods. This is Trinni with Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu. Welcome to Cut the Crap.
Say hi, guys. Hello! We're doing a fermentation party. Take a look. All right, so we got the mullet man right here.
Yeah!
We're doing pickles, fermented cucumbers technically, with carrots, and we've got onion in there. Over here, we've got Miss Meredith and VC Fu.
Let's go.
They are doing our bok choy, fermented bok choy. And then we've got slave labor over there. Just kidding. We've got the salsa makers manually because someone forgot to bring the food processor.
Okay.
Call them out.
With an eye roll by Christina.
Oh, good night.
She's eye rolling at me, but here's what we're making so far.
That's more like a surprise.
So the salt brine solution that we use, you can use juiced celery, or you can use 4 tablespoons per half gallon, or 2 tablespoons per quart, and that gives you the right ratio. Essentially, as you're doing fermentation, if your salt ratio is too low, what ends up happening, you might actually propagate bad bacteria. If it's too high, you end up just killing and nuking all the bacteria in there anyways, and that's not the objective. You want to propagate the good bacteria. And so what Meredith is doing is she's using these cultures that we've done previously. So this one is a serrano pepper fermented mixture that we did back in January. That one's a milk kefir. We got more serrano peppers, and then there's a batch of not tomatoes, carrots and daikon root that we fermented previously. So this is going to be our starter culture. So we've got in here a 3 to 5% salt brine with the veggies, and this is going to be a lacto fermentation. And what's going to happen is the lactobacilli within this is going to start consuming the sugars inside the plant and then propagate itself, and then basically it's a great ancient way to preserve foods as well as cultivate and propagate healthy gut bacteria.
Try these techniques with your favorite veggies and let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. In the meantime, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel for more ways martial arts can help you eat healthier and cleaner. We'll see you next time.